Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 7 and we are doing maths and the chapter is third chapter data handling. Data handling mein hum log already 3-4 questions we have done in our earlier class. So today I am going to take 7th class and the chapter we are doing is data handling. Exercise is 3.1 and question number 5. So let's see. Following table shows point of each player. Okay, point of each player scored in 4 games. 3 players have played 4 games, right? 4 game उन लोगों ने खेले, 3 players हैं, उन सबका score I have written here in the table. First player A. फर्स्ट गेम में उसने स्कोर किया 14 पॉइंट्स, सेकंड में उसने स्कोर किया 16, थर्ड में उसने स्कोर किया 10, फोर्थ में 10. बी ने फर्स्ट गेम खेला 0 स्कोर किया, देन 8, देन 6 एंड देन 4. कम टू सी. सी ने क्या किया 8 फर्स्ट गेम में, देन 11 एंड देन ही हैज नॉट प्लेड द गेम, मींस थर्ड गेम ही हैज नॉट प्लेड एंड इन फोर्थ गेम ही स्कोर्ड 13, राइट? तो अब हम लोग आते हैं क्वेश्चन पे. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? सी फाइंड द मीन स्कोर ऑफ ए. ए ने कितने पॉइंट स्कोर किया, उसका एवरेज क्या है? फॉर दैट व्हाट यू विल डू इज मीन पॉइंट्स. यू कैन राइट मीन ऑफ ए. ए का मीन स्कोर क्या है? फर्स्टली व्हाट यू विल डू, सम ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशन. व्हाट इज द दैट फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट? सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन divided by number of observation, right? Sum of observation divided by number of observation. Let's see sum of observation कितने हैं? This first game, second game, third game and fourth game, that is 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10, that divided by how many games? 1 2 3 4 games. So this is divided by 4, that is यूनिट प्लेस देखो 0 plus 0 plus 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10 के 0 carry 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 50 game 50 score किया and number of games played is 4 games में 50 score. That means what is the average? 4 ones are 4. बचा कितना यहाँ पे? 1 बचा, ये 10 हो गया. 4 twos are 8 होता है. Again 2 is left. हमने डेसिमल लगाया, फिर 0 लग गया, 20 हो गया. Now 4 5s are 20. So what is the mean score of that player A? A player का कितना है? 12.5 इसका एवरेज है, right? Let's come to the of point of C. Would you divide by 3 or 4 and why? C को हम देखते हैं. C player को he has played 1 2 3 4 games are there. But he has not played the third game. Okay, so we will divide it by 1 2 3. इन तीनों को ऐड करके we will divide it by 3. अगर उसने गेम खेला होता और उसने स्कोर 0 किया होता तो हम 4 से डिवाइड करते. As he has played only 3 games, so we will divide in the mean. हम इसके मीन में क्या डिवाइड करेंगे? इसके मीन में हम डिवाइड करेंगे 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 3, right? As in the question they have not asked the mean, तो करने की जरूरत नहीं है. They have asked only आप 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे कि 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे. तो we will divide it by 3. Reason is as he has played only 3 games, right? So answer is what? 3. Let's come to its next point. See children, the third part is how would you find the mean of B? Means B का mean निकालना है. B का mean निकालना है. That means what we will do? We will add up all the means sum of his scores, that is sum of his observation divided by number of observation, right? Now team B का sum of observation means number of points he scored in all the 4 matches, all the 4 games is B. ये रहा 1 2 3 4. Here he has played all the 4 games. That is why we will take number of observation is 4, right? C के साथ क्या केस था? इसने एक मैच खेला ही नहीं था. But B has played but he scored 0. So we will do 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. That divided by how many matches? 4 matches. So this is equal to, children, this is equal to 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Divided by 4, so 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16.20, that is 5s are. So 5s are 20. So what is the mean? That is 4.5. 4 4s are 16, 2, yes, 4 5s are 20. So in this way we will find out the mean of B score. Okay, let's come to the fourth part. Fourth part is who is best perform? Who is the best performer? The question is who is the best performer? See children, if we'll see here, they have asked fourth question, who is the best performer? Best performer in the 4 games, as they have asked, the fourth game में हम C को तो count नहीं करेंगे. Why? Because he has not played the 4 games. So we will consider the 2 players, that is A and B. तो A का mean average, उसका mean average कितना आया? 12.5, and the B one is scored only 4.5. इसका mean average था. So who has performed well? Yes, definitely A is the best performer, right? So in this way we have completed question number 5. Let's come to question number 6. Let's come to question number 6. The marks out of 100 they have given, obtained by a group of students. Okay, these marks are written over here. ये इन बच्चों के marks हैं in a science test. एक science test हुआ जिसमें बच्चों ने इतने marks score किए. A group of students scored these many marks. Now the question is highest and the lowest marks obtained by the student. So highest marks, let's check this. 85, 76, 90. एक ये हम ले लेते हैं 90. फिर क्या दिख रहा है हमें? 95 दिखाई दे रहा है. Okay. So 95 means highest marks is what? 95. So highest marks कितना score किया? 95. Okay. Then lowest marks scored is, see now the lowest marks हम लोग देख लेते हैं यहाँ पे 85, 76, 90, 85, 39. I think this is the lowest marks. 48 है, फिर सब ज्यादा है. So what is the lowest is 39. Now the next question they have asked is range. What is the range? Second next question is range they have asked. तो range आप कैसे find out करेंगे? Range का formula I told you earlier also. Range is equal to highest value, highest observation कह सकते हो आप, value भी लिख सकते हो. Highest value minus lowest value. Okay. Now this is equal to highest value क्या है हमारे पास? Highest marks is 95 and the lowest marks we are having is 39. तो minus करेंगे 39 को. What you will get? See 5 और ये 9. 15 minus 9 is 6 ना. 15 minus 9 is 6 और ये आ गया 8. 8 में से 3 गया. This is 56. What is the range? Range is 56. Range of the marks obtained is 56. Now the third question they have asked is mean. Mean marks obtained by the group. Mean marks obtained by the group. See, they have asked the mean marks obtained by the group. So how you'll find out the mean? मीन कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? मीन का आपको पता है व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. You have to write all these numbers, just add up all. So it will be 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 85 plus 39 plus 48 plus 56 plus 95 plus 81 plus 75 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 divided by 10. So just find out the sum of all this. See children, the total is 730 and divided by the total number of student, that is 10. तो हम इसको 0 0 कैंसिल कर देंगे. What is our mean? That is 73. So mean marks obtained by the group is what? 73. So this is the answer of question number 6. So here we have completed. Let's come to 7th. See children, here is your 7th question. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years. Enrollment means number of admissions during that many years. Okay, was as follows. First is first year में इतना हुआ, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth years में इतना हुआ. Means every year these many students have enrolled. Okay, find the mean enrollment of school for this period. Now they are asking in these 6 years what is the average enrollment. Okay, let's see. For this what we will do, mean. Mean हमें किसका निकालना है? Mean enrollment. Enrollment of school for this period. Mean enrollment कितना हुआ? That is sum of total enrollment लिख सकते हैं. I am writing the formula only. Sum of all observation, that is all total number of enrollments in every 6 years, and number of observation, right? Here we are having what? See, mean is 155. I'm writing from here क्योंकि ये लंबा है, हमें लिखना पड़ेगा. That is 1555 plus 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820 divided by how many years? 6 consecutive years, means year after year. Okay, 6 years में ये सबको add करने से what we will get is, I'm writing over here, what we will get is total, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Total addition of all I have done just now. तो ये हमें मिला कितना? 12,348 divided by what? 6 we will do. Okay, now just cut it. 6 2s are 12, right? फिर ये 3 है तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We'll take 0. 6 zeros are 0. अब कितना हो गया ये? 4 भी ले सकते हैं इसके साथ, 34. Now 6 5s are 30, right? कितना बच गया? 4 बच गया. Now we will take 48. तो 6 8s are 48. So what is the mean enrollment for the 6 consecutive year of the school is 2058. Yes, this is the answer of question number 7. Let's come to question number 8. See children, here is question number 8. The rainfall that is given in millimeter in a city, okay, on 7 days of a certain week. किसी एक week में rainfall जो record किया गया in the 7 days is given in the table. Day above and downwards is the rainfall that is in millimeters. Now first day, that is on Monday, they recorded 0.0, मतलब बारिश नहीं हुई बिल्कुल भी. Next is Tuesday to 12.2, Wednesday को 2.1, Thursday 0.0 again. Then Friday this much, Saturday this much, and on Sunday 1.0 millimeter record किया गया. Now the question is, find the range of rainfall in above data. इस डाटा का आपको क्या निकालना है? रेंज निकालना है. So you know how to find the range. Range means what? Range means what is the highest and what is the lowest. दोनों का difference means difference of highest observation and the lowest observation. Now see what is the range of this. So what is the range? See the highest value minus what? Lowest value, right? What is the highest rainfall recorded? देखो हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल 12.2 है, उसके बाद 20.5. द हाईएस्ट इज व्हाट? ऑन फ्राइडे वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड 20.5. सो वी विल राइट व्हाट? हाईएस्ट इज 20.5. में से लेस करेंगे हम लोएस्ट रेनफॉल. लोएस्ट वैल्यू हमारी क्या है? देखो 0 इज द लोएस्ट वैल्यू, तो 0.0. सो we are having range as how much? 20.5 millimeter. This is the range of rainfall in the above data. Let's come to the second. So children, here is your second part. Find the mean rainfall for a week. Mean rainfall we have to find. So mean rainfall, that is in millimeter. This is equal to sum of total rainfall recorded in 7 days. यानी कि sum of all observation divided by number of observation. Here observation is what? Rainfall. तो number of days में कितना रिकॉर्ड किया है? यहाँ पे number of observation हमारा क्या आ जाएगा? days आ जाएगा. और ऊपर रिकॉर्डिंग हम किसकी करेंगे? सम ऑफ दिस रेनफॉल दैट इज ऑन मंडे टू सैटरडे संडे तक. ओके, लेट्स डू इट. सम करते हैं. 0.0 प्लस व्हाट? 12.2 प्लस व्हाट? 2.1 प्लस इट इज अगेन 0. Okay, then plus, then this is 20.5, then plus 5.5, then plus 1.0. Okay, divided by number of days. कितने हैं? 7 days में इसकी recording हुई है. Okay, I'm doing it here, children. Let's see children, here I have written this all addition of all this divided by 7. यहाँ बच्चों को थोड़ी सी दिक्कत होती है. क्या दिक्कत होती है? डेसिमल्स की. डेसिमल देखते हैं उनकी हालत खराब. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है डेसिमल में. हमें क्या याद रखना होता है कि डेसिमल प्लेसेस हमें एक लाइक डेसिमल बना लेना पड़ता है. लेट्स सी हियर, एक ओनली 1 डेसिमल प्लेस इज देयर, सो नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. सो जस्ट आप साइड में इसको कर लो. अदरवाइज यूनिट प्लेस में वैसे भी आपको बता सकती हूँ, लेकिन आप देखो इसको साइड में कर लो. दैट इज 12.2. दिस वन इज 2.1. डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल आएगा. 0.0 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. देन ऑल्सो वी आर राइटिंग 20, क्योंकि 0 को ऐड करने से 0 मिलेगा. देन इज 5.5. Then it is 1.0, right children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 हो गए हमारे 7 days. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10 is what? 13. के 3 carry 1. 2, 2, 4, 5. 5, 10, 11 के 1. Again carry 1. 1, 2, 2, 4. So this is what? 41.3. divided by 7. Let's do it. 7 कितने सा? 7 5 जा 35, 7 6 जा 42. तो 7 5 जा 35 ले लेते हैं. 7 5 जा 35. 41 में से 35 गया, कितना बचा? Yes, 6. 6 बचा 63. Now 7 कितने सा? 7 9 जा 63. डेसिमल बीच में एक नंबर के बाद है. जस्ट पुट 1 नंबर के बाद डेसिमल. दिस इज 5.9. So what is our mean? That is 5.9 millimeter. Right children? So this is our answer. So in this way you have to do, this is the second part I think, is mean rainfall. One more part is left. Just do it. See children, here is our third question, third part of question number 8. Okay. On how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Means कितने दिनों में, कितने दिन mean rainfall से कम है. Means rainfall is less than mean rainfall. Let's see, हमारा mean rainfall कितना we have find out? We have find out 5.9 millimeter. Okay. Now on Monday what we have recorded, it is 0.0. What is asked in the question, in how many days? तो एक मंडे को तो हो गया, मंडे को लेस रेनफॉल हुई है, ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 12.2, दैट इज मोर देन दिस, तो इसको हम कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. लेट्स कम टू वेडनेसडे. वेडनेसडे इज 2.1 विच इज लेस देन दिस, so वेडनेसडे को भी हमें कंसिडर करना है. देन ऑन थर्सडे 0 इज रिकॉर्डेड, दिस इज लेस. Okay, then on Friday 20.5 is recorded. No, it is more. Let's come to Saturday. It is 5.5. 5.5 is less than 5.9. So Saturday को भी हमें लेना पड़ेगा. And on Sunday it was recorded 1.0. And mean rainfall is what? 5.9. तो Sunday भी हमें लेना पड़ेगा. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many days? Answer is 5 days was the rainfall. On 5 days rainfall is more, sorry, rainfall is less, they have asked, no? Less, rainfall is less, rainfall is less than the mean rainfall. So here is your answer. So children, here is our answer. On 5 days, the rainfall is less than the mean rainfall. Okay. So here we have completed question number 8. Let's come to question number 9. See children, here is your 9th question and the last question of this exercise. The heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeters and the result are as follows. So these are the heights of 10 girls. All are in centimeters. 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143 and 141 centimeters. These are the heights given to you. Now the question is, what is the height of the tallest girl? See the height of tallest girl. सबसे ज़्यादा height किसकी है? Let's see here. 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143, 141. तो दो heights हमने निकाली जो 150, 151. Which is the highest height? Yes, this is the highest. Okay, so the tallest girl is having the height of 151 centimeter. So height of the tallest girl is equal to how much? 151 centimeters. Let's come to the second part. Second part they have asked height of shortest. Second part they have asked shortest girl की height कितनी है? So its height of the shortest girl is, सबसे कम height देखो किसकी है? 135, 139, 128. ये 128 दिख रहा है. Yes, this is the shortest height. This is the shortest height. तो shortest height हमारी कितनी हो गई? 128 centimeters. Right? In the third part they have asked range. What is the range? The question is, what is the range of the data? इस data का range क्या है? Range is what? Highest value minus lowest value, right? That is equal to highest कितनी है हमारी? 151. Lowest कितनी है? 128. So what is the range? Find out. 11 में से 8 गया. How much is left? See children, so 151 centimeter minus 128 centimeter is what? 23 centimeters. So this is the range of the data. Let's come to the fourth point. Mean height is, what is the mean height? Mean height क्या होगा? Sum of all height, ना? Observation, sum of total observation, sum of total observation, that is heights, है ना? Divided by करेंगे क्या? Number of observation means number of girls, जिनकी हाइट ली है, तो नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स हम लोग कर लेंगे यहाँ पे. दिस इज इक्वल टू सी 135. यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. 135 प्लस 150 प्लस 139 प्लस 128 प्लस 151 प्लस 132 प्लस 146 प्लस 149 plus 143 plus 141. So children, divided by, इस पूरे को डिवाइड करेंगे 10 से, what we will get, just add up all. This is children, just add up all, you will get 1414 divided by what? 10. Total number of girls is 10. So this is equal to, एक जीरो है, एक के बाद पॉइंट लगा देंगे. This is 141.4. What it is given in centimeters. So centimeters, right children? So here is your answer. Our mean height is 141.4. Let's come to the next part. They have asked, say children, here the question is, how many girls have height more than the mean height? So just now we have find out the mean height, that is 141.4. Now see, here is the height of 10 girls given. अब हम देखेंगे कितने girls का है. We'll round up all. Okay. So let's see. First हम लोग देखेंगे 135. This is less. Okay, no problem. 141. तो 150 is greater. Then 141, 141, 141, 151 is greater. Then 146. This is greater. Then 149. This is also greater. 143 less है, 141 भी less है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 girls है. Okay. So how many girls? The number of girls have whose height? No. Height less नहीं, ज़्यादा ना, more than the mean height. More than the mean height. Mean height is कितनी है? Let's just equal to put कर लेते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many are there? 4. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे, 4 girls are having height more than the mean height. So children, here we have completed our exercise 3.1. So I think you get all the questions well. अगर नहीं समझ में आया या कोई भी किसी भी तरह का डाउट है, प्लीज राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. अच्छी लगी वीडियो तो राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. Thank you and have a nice day. Keep in touch, and when we'll do the next exercise and some that important points I'll tell you. So be with me in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and share it to as much as it is possible to your friends. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.